I recently got the BMS water meth injection kit installed on my T35IS. But before we talk about that, I do want to go over the CTS Turbos that have been on the car for almost 2 seasons now. It's been more than a year since I got the CTS Turbos installed on the car, and I did want to wait some time before I give you guys any feedback, just so I can actually drive the car and see how it is. At 18 PSI on a custom tune, with almost 8,500 kilometers on the car, these turbos have been nothing but reliable. I have not experienced any issues at all, and I do daily drive the car as well as take it to the track, so the motor is being pushed as well as the turbos. Like I said, it's only on 18 PSI. With the water meth injection kit being on the car now, we're going to be upping that to 20 as well as 23 once tuning is all dialed in. Upping the PSI is obviously going to push more power to the turbos, so we're going to be able to see if these things can actually withstand high horsepower. I decided to go with the larger clear tank just so I can see the fluid level while I'm driving. Decided to go with a dual nozzle setup on my charge pipe with IN lines. I hope this quick feedback on the turbos answered any questions you guys may have had. If there's any additional questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll definitely try to get back to you guys if I can.